Hi folks, this is Sarah Vitale, the director of the Ball State Philosophy Outreach Project, or POP. I'd like to tell you a bit about how to donate to our organization. The first step is to go to the Ball State Foundation website, bsu.edu/foundation. Once there, click on Give Now. Now, our fund number, so you select Other here, and then put in 6504. That is our fund designation. You can make a one-time gift or a recurring gift, or you can click on one of these amounts or write in your own, and then click here to give by card. I'm going to give just one time here. Comments about this gift, or if you'd like to make it an anonymous donation, click Continue, and then they tell you how much you're about to give, and then save and continue, and then you put in your information. And that is all it takes. So thank you so much for your support of the Ball State Philosophy Outreach Project.